Well, you're getting to that age, son. I think it's time we have the birds and bees talk.
No, that's okay, Dad. We do it at school.
No, I want you to be familiar with some of the new changes.
So you got your birds and you got your bees. Now, most of the time, bees like birds and birds like bees. Now, some bees only like bees and some birds only like birds. Now, some birds like bees and birds and some bees like birds and bees. So you got your birds and your birds, your bees and your bees and your birds and your bees.
Huh?
Now, some of the bees look like birds and some of the birds look like bees. Now, some of the birds have stingers and some of the bees don't. Are you following? There will be a test.
Okay.
Now, there's nothing wrong with birds being bees and bees being birds, but they can also choose to be neither.
They didn't mention any of this in school.
The modern school system is failing. You see, the bees can be birds and the birds can be bees and either can be neither, and that's okay.